A new compound and a new formulation technology, Isagro's breakthrough into its copper products range. From the combination of copper oxychloride and hydroxide, Badge SC, effective at low doses, fast-acting, with excellent persistence and no phytotoxicity. Badge SC, liquid, contains 10% copper hydroxide and 10% copper oxychloride. Due to improvement of formulation technology, nowadays it is possible to achieve the same results of traditional products in terms of effectiveness with a lower dose of copper. In the copper products, a turnaround was needed. The exclusive goals of Badge SC are the higher rainfastness persistence and bioactivity even at low doses. Those features derive from liquid formulation, directly prepared from copper technical grade rather than resuspension of powder. The main subject is the distribution of particles on the leaf surface. By using a stain to highlight the copper particles, we can see at the electronic microscope that the distribution of Badge SC on leaf surface proves to be uniform. Observation, after a simulated runoff, points out the true characteristics of the product. The strong resistance to washout and high dispersibility that lead to an even more uniform distribution of copper after rain. A good distribution of the product, as well as its bioavailability, that is the amount of copper ions released by the formulation, ensure a very good crop protection even in the hardest field conditions. An additional advantage of the formulation directly derived from the technical grade is its perfect dispersion in water. Let's now take a look at how copper microparticles behave once dispersed in water. The copper microparticles are evenly distributed across the surfaces of the leaf, including the stomata, the openings on the lower surface which allow gas exchanges in the plant and that are used by pathogens to enter the plant. The strategy is not to get caught off guard, but to await the enemy on the battlefield. At night, during the plant's respiration phase, carbon dioxide is released through the stomata. Copper microparticles of Badge SC that come into contact with CO2 react faster, releasing copper ions, exactly where fungi attack. If the crop is attacked by a pathogen, the uniform coverage across all leaf surfaces of Badge SC microparticles ensures a very high protection. The studies carried out by Isagro in order to measure the bioavailability and effectiveness of the products have gone beyond. The quantity of copper ions on the leaves has been assessed at different time intervals from the application. By comparing the application of Badge SC with the one of copper hydroxide and oxychloride when applied separately. Here is the result of the laboratory test on the active ingredients. The mixture of the two copper salts puts together readiness and persistence, the characteristics of each of them. Always in laboratory conditions, let's now take into consideration the results stemming from separated formulated products. Once again, Badge's superior performance is self-evident. Now, let's compare the results in the field in the presence of carbon dioxide. It's in real conditions of application that Badge SC sticks out, with significantly better results than the mere copper formulations. When everybody thought there was nothing more to say about copper, Isagro went beyond all expectations by combining the advantages of both copper salts in a single product, by exalting their effectiveness thanks to an innovative formulation in order to achieve a better performance with a lower dose of product. An innovation in step with the times.